Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 255, and today, words that I did not think I would ever say, we've got a box of Synergy. 2021 Upper Deck Synergy. This came out last week on Thursday when I had the 18-19 ice up. Generally do new releases the next day, but I also generally don't open Synergy. This is the first box of Synergy I'll have ever opened. I've done like 3 packs total in the 3 prior years of Synergy. 2 of those were in the 500 subscriber video when I opened up 2 packs of every 1920 product. But I figured why not give it a go. This stuff looked a little bit better this year, but we'll see how we do. 2021 Upper Deck Synergy. We got box number 416. 3 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Oh man, I did not think I would ever open up a box of Synergy. It took me 4 years. This is the 4th year that they made it, but I don't know. This might be the only box of Synergy that I ever open. We'll see if this stuff impresses me more than I would have expected. Might grab another box, but I'm skeptical on that. Surprised Upper Deck is still making this stuff. 2021 Synergy. Alright, stuff goes every which way in the pack. We start off with a red base Mike Richter. We have a Synergy FX Pierre-Olivier Joseph, number 296 of 349. And we have a Roaring 20s, Jason Robertson. Second pack. We have a red base John Carlson. We have a Stanley Cup Journey Ryan O'Reilly, number 220 of 799. And this is actually an insert I really like. I gotta give you credit. We have a Exceptional Young Stars, number 738 of 749, Igor Shesterkin. I will give you credit, Upper Deck. I do like this insert. It's kind of like a Ice Premier's rookie. Kind of with a Young Guns feel too, as well, with the name Young Stars. 738 of 749, Exceptional Young Stars, Igor Shesterkin. I do really like that card. I do like that insert. We have a red rookie base, Ollie Jolevi, Ollie Yolevi. We have an exceptional stars. So I guess they don't consider Draisaitl young. Exceptional stars. 662 of 749. It's kind of odd saying a 49. There's not a lot of. They're usually something 99, other than the 249 ice primers. But exceptional stars. 662 of 749. Leon Draisaitl. Gotta say, I'm happy with the two exceptional stars / young stars in this box. Constant threats, Mark Scheifele. Mark Scheifele, constant threats. And final pack from the left side. We have a rookie journey, Nicholas Bowden, number 770 of 799. Rookie journey, Nicholas Bowden. It looks like we got two red rookies. Josh Norris. And Steven Lorentz. Red rookie. On to the right stack. I wish they would put them all the same way in the packs. A red, Miro Heiskanen. Red base. I don't know if they still do the blue and purple parallels of these that they had in prior years. Okay, that's a nice looking card. FX 80 of 99, Michael DiPietro. Synergy FX. I really like the look of that card. That is a nice looking card. And we have a Roaring 20s, Connor McDavid. Roaring 20s. I gotta say, I am more impressed than I thought I would be. We have a red Thomas Hertl. Very nice here. We have a exceptional young stars, 693 of 749, Connor McDavid. So very happy with the three exceptional young stars / young stars exceptional cards. Happy with the three that I got in this box. And we've got a rookie journey, number 255 of 899, Tyler Benson. I actually seen this kid play once back in Bantam, the year that him and Sam Steele absolutely destroyed the Bantam AAA League. Benson had like 146 points in 33 games. Seen him play one game that year. Had 4 goals and an assist. Sounds like an impressive game, but not going to lie, he did not really impress me that much. I actually walked out of that game saying that Sam Steele is the better player, having never seen Sam Steele play. And so far in their careers, Benson's played like 7 games, got 1 assist. Sam Steele's played 87 games and got 11 goals and 33 assists. So far in their careers, I'm looking like I was right back in the day, but time can change that. We've got a red base Cale Makar. Cale Makar red. We've got a Synergy FX 133 of 349 Rasmus Dahlin. Rasmus Dahlin. And we have a terrible All-Stars. Terrible All-Stars. A little bit of a ding on that corner. And final pack. We've got a red Wendell Clark. We have a Constant Threats Sebastian Aho. And the final card of the box, we have a Exceptional Stars, number 719 of 749, Thomas Tatar. Thomas Tatar. Exceptional Stars rounds out this box. And overall, I gotta say, I'm rather impressed. 2021 Synergy does not look terrible. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, and I might actually grab another box or 2 of this, because yeah, I'm actually rather impressed. I did not expect that. We'll do a quick review. We kind of got to look at everything, because to me everything is rather a hit. Even the red bases, they're a decent looking card, but there's not many just base in a box, so we'll fly through these. Mike Richter, John Carlson, Miro Heiskanen, Thomas Tatar, Cale Makar, Wendell Clark. Red rookies, we had Ollie Juolevi, Josh Norris, Steven Lorentz, Constant Threats, Mark Scheifele, Roaring Twenties, Connor McDavid, Terrible All-Stars, and a Constant Threats Sebastian Aho, and then quite a bit of number stuff actually. Synergy FX 296 of 349 Pierre-Olivier Joseph. Stanley Cup Journey 220 of 799 Ryan O'Reilly. Rookie Journey 770 of 799 Nicholas Bowden. Card I do really like the look of. 80 of 99 Synergy FX Michael DiPietro. Rookie Journey, 255 of 899 Tyler Benson. Synergy FX, 133 of 349 Rasmus Dahlin. Almost said Spectrum FX. You know, I open up a lot of SPA, and this should have been in with the non-numbered stuff. Roaring 20s, Jason Robertson, and then my favorite insert in this product, the Exceptional Stars and Exceptional Young Stars. We had a Stars of Thomas Tatar, 719 of 749. We had a Exceptional Young Stars, 738 of 749, Igor Shesterkin. I hope this set actually sells decent, because this is a nice looking set. We had a Exceptional Stars, 662 of 749, Leon Draisaitl. And an Exceptional Young Stars, 693 of 749, Connor McDavid. So the two big Oilers in my favorite set in the product. Gotta say, I'm actually pretty happy with that box, and rather impressed with the product overall. No autograph. Let's see, what does it say? Collect 8 serial numbered, autographed, and or metal cards per box. So 8 serial numbered. Is that what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be back there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 numbered cards, so more than it says in the box. So that's pretty sweet, I guess, for Synergy. No autograph, as I was saying. Wouldn't mind. I know there's sticker autographs in this product, but I wouldn't mind a sticker autograph over no autograph. Of course, hard signed is always ideal, but I would say I'm rather impressed with 2021 Synergy. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I might just grab another box or two of this stuff, because it was actually kind of a fun rip. So let me know, and if you did enjoy 2021 Synergy, opening a box of Synergy, words I did not think I would ever say, but we did it. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got lots of box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday special uploads to come. Got something different lined up for Thursday. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, so stay tuned, and yeah, lots of content to look forward to, so thanks for tuning in.